to decide this. But how many of you want or may want to do an MBA at some point of time? Show of hands. How many of you would consider doing an MBA at some point of time? Okay. How many of you would want to do a master's, MTech at some point of time? Okay. And how many of you sitting today? Okay. Things will of course change. How many of you would just love to start working after your BTech? Show of hands. Okay, got it. Perfect. It's a nice, happy balance, which is lovely. This is how it should be. Of course, this balance will change by the time you come to the fourth year. वो हो ही जाएगा. But I tell you, the thing about an MBA, or for that matter, any other degree, वो masters भी हो सकती है. It's right कि degrees की अहमियत धीरे-धीरे कम होती जा रही है. In fact, there will come a time, my prediction, in less than 5 years, by 2030, perhaps the time by which you graduate, the concept of college itself will start getting questioned. I made a prediction about 2 years back for which I got a lot of backlash. 50% of all colleges in this country will shut down by 2030. Now what will remain? What will remain are the top institutes. So the DTUs of the world, the IITs of the world, the NITs of the world, they'll all remain. Not because वहाँ पढ़ाई ज़्यादा अच्छी होती है. It's simply because वहाँ छठ के बच्चे आते हैं. And you are all handpicked. You've gone through layers of an evaluation, whether it's just IQ based or whatever else it is, and that's why you're here. So this network or this community, this gathering itself has power, irrespective of what is being taught in the classroom. And that goes back to the same thing that I started with. Please use this power that you have been all granted and given. Lekin iske beyond, what will matter will simply be your skills. Will simply be the way that you operate, what you learn, how you applied it, and so on. Companies, I can tell you with confidence, are looking for skills more than degrees. किसी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आप कहाँ पढ़े हैं. All that they want today is कि आप कर क्या सकते हैं. It of course helps that you are from a DTU and an IIT, but that only gets you a foot in the door. Ultimately, किसी को भी इंस्टीट्यूट पे या डिग्री के नाम पे नौकरी नहीं मिल रही है. उस इवैल्यूएशन में उनसे बहुत बारीकी से पूछा जा रहा है what is it that they know for the job that they're sitting for, which is what you have to prepare for irrespective of where you're studying and what you're studying. So does an MBA make sense? It absolutely makes sense if you go to the top institute. But does it make sense if you go to a random institute? No, it doesn't. Back then when I was doing an MBA, which was 20 years back, it was the same story. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आप सिर्फ MBA डिग्री के साथ है तो आपको नौकरी मिल जाएगी. There was a lot of importance given to the institute by itself. So I benefited a lot from being from ISB. But one thing that consulting and not so much the MBA taught me was what was being referred to structure. For those who want to do a job after BTech, how many of you want to consider consulting? Show of hands. How many of you would want to consider consulting? Some of you. For those who are not sure कि उनको engineering की field में ही जाना चाहिए या नहीं, or you're not very sure of whether you want to do an MBA or not, or do a master's or not, so on, my general recommendation will be try your hand at consulting. And the reason why consulting helps is because consulting is where you are advising somebody else without being a participant of what they are doing in life. So imagine जब आपका दोस्त एक breakup के बाद आपके पास आता है और बोलता है कि दोस्त जिंदगी में क्या करूं, आप एक कंसल्टेंट का रोल ही निभा रहे हैं. Now you can be a poor consultant and be like, bro, rebound करके कहीं और चले जा. Or you would be a good consultant which is like, why don't you give it time, go through the entire process, and then let's talk after 1 week or 1 month. But depending on the counsel you give, you essentially are forced to step into the shoes of somebody else. आपको किसी और के नजरिए से एक प्रॉब्लम को एनालाइज करना होगा, चाहे वो एक मैथमेटिकल प्रॉब्लम हो या एक इमोशनल प्रॉब्लम. And that power is a really strong skill to build, because that's what life ultimately leads to. So what consulting truly taught me is to look at problems from somebody else's perspective and to help them as much as you can. In that journey, structure became a very important aspect, because you have to find signal in chaos, in that noise that is constantly around you. So the more you experience that and practice that, the better you become, and ultimately you get to a point where चाहे जितनी भी भसड़ हो, जितनी भी गंदगी मची हो, you're able to identify structure and build a path for yourself. And that's something that I would credit consulting for, because it's truly been a wonderful experience for me.